Whoa, yeah. Alright, daughters of Zion, open your eyes. Time now, wait for no one. Life is a river, keep flowing. Daughters of Zion, hear the whisper in the wind. Life is a journey, not a place where we begin. From the cradle to the dust, every step we take is a borrowed breath of Jah, make no mistake. Mirror show the beauty, but time show the truth. Every line on your face is a memory of you. Yesterday gone like the smoke in the sky, and tomorrow not promised. So we ask why, oh daughters of Zion, remember who you are. Shining like the morning, like a rising star. Life is just a moment, don't let it pass you by. The grave keep calling, but today we alive. Celebrate the sunrise, every breath, every note. We know on tomorrow, only this moment somehow. Oh daughters of Zion, hear the truth I say. Every day we born, every day we fade away. Every birthday candle is a step to the end. Still we laugh and we love, still we fight and pretend. But deep in the silence when the night draw near is a voice that reminds, say the end soon appear. Morning star shining like a sign in the sky. Dawn break gently like a lullaby. But every sunrise is a quiet call. One day we go sleep and not wake at all. Oh daughters of Zion, remember who you are. Shining like the morning, like a rising star. Life is just a moment, don't let it pass you by. The grave keep calling, but today we alive. Celebrate the sunrise, every breath, every note. We know on tomorrow, only this moment somehow. Oh daughters of Zion, hear the truth I say. Every day we born, every day we fade away. Who are we? Just a spirit in the clay, passing through time, then we drift away. Roots in eternity, leaves in the breeze. Life is a journey carried by the sea. So look while you can, hold joy in your hand. Walk in the light and overstand. No chain can bind what the soul set free. Live in the now, that's the victory. Graveyard silent, but it speaks so loud. Every name a story, every stone a cloud. Kings and queens all lay the same. Dust to dust, no title remains. So why you worry about things so small, when time itself will swallow it all? Better to live with a heart so wide. Let love be the legacy you leave behind. Daughters of Zion, time is now. Morning come, night will fall. Live today, give your all. Yeah. Life is short, but spirit top. One love before the final call.